Hello, so today I'm going to press a hole down in something that I accidentally broke, so we're going to fix it today.
Okay, so
It's going to be pretty loud.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead.
And messy.
Hold on. Great job.
This is the second wheel that you're going to see today. I need the light bulbs on. Okay, we're going to put a little of this on the end.
Let's put it on this side of it, not on the end. There you go. There you go. Give the stick a spin. Maybe if you hold it down a little bit like this, it'll be easier. Here, hold it this way. There you go. You're working it out. Is that hard to squeeze? I have an idea. Let's do this. Why don't you go ahead and squirt a whole bunch on this piece of paper right here. Let's go ahead and squirt a whole bunch on there. Use 2 hands. I'm glad to see you got your eye protection on. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Yes, that's plenty. All right, now go ahead and take that stick and just put some of it on there. Just a little bit. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Plenty. Let's try to get some of that off there. You got quite a bit. Let's just get a little bit of that. Right. There we go. Okay, so hold this. And we're going to slide this over the end of there, okay?
Inside?
Yes, so you got it. Right inside. And once it goes in, go ahead and set it on here. We'll hammer it in with a little hammer. Okay? Good job. Go ahead and turn it upside down. There you go. And tap the top of this just like a big tall nail.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, sure. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Is it all the way in?
Nope.
Let's do it some more.
Some in. Sound like got on here.
It's okay. Let's take a look.
Halfway through.
Halfway through. What is that? What do you think we need to do? Do you think we need to hit it harder?
Yeah.
There you go. How's it look now?
Little. Looks a little further.
Yep, we need to get much bigger swings.
Good.
One more. Okay, maybe 2 more. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, all right. All right. What are we gonna do?
Break this stick. Yeah.
Here, he's gonna be spinning. There you go. Big push. Big push. Big push. Big push. Big push. You got it.
Don't get
You sure you want both of those on?
Sure. Not embarrassed.
Not okay.
Okay.
All right, let's put this together. You got your glove on?
Mhm.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello. So today we are going to fix this little ladybug is what I call it.
Let's put this in first.
I'm gonna put this in. Turn this around. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
Your gloves a little loose. Okay, good. Doing great. Good. And let's just move this out of the way. Just on this side. That's good. Up more towards the end. Up towards the top there. Towards the top. There you go. Some over here. Right up here. Nice and high. There we go. Okay, good. You got it all on there. All right. So
All
go.
of it.
Okay. That glove can come off now. Good. You know what to do with this. This is what we drilled out earlier.
Hello.
That has to go on there. Good job. All right, now I'm going to hold this up while
My
you...
hands are dusty.
I bet, yes, from the gloves. All right, go ahead and use the hammer to put that on there. done. All done. Oh, sorry. There you go. You fixed it.
And now it is fixed.
What do you think?
Really good. I'm going to pull this little ladybug around.